horn.
Don't honk the horn.
There you go, see? You told you don't honk that horn.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
It's him!
Hey, cut that out. Yelling him. Come on, don't honk that horn, Brennan. I didn't know how to cooperate. See? They don't want to cooperate.
Whoa, easy!
How dare you not honk that horn at those people? Don't you do that? No! 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 Hey, you! Don't you honk that horn! Hey! Look at that! See that lady's thinking, what's wrong? Did you hear that lady said don't honk the horn?
Yeah.
Yeah, she meant it. Okay. No horn honking while the truck. No, not while I'm running. Not while the engine's running.